vegetables. Ito ba yun? Yes.
3-bedroom, bi-level unit, penthouse. Meron din siya bathroom dito. Yan. And may sariling maid's room or storage or laundry room. Yan. Ganyan kalawak to. And may direct access ka sa swimming pool, which is the amenities. Ganyan. Ganyan siya kaganda. And okay tayo. This is 3 bedrooms, 109 square meters. Yan. Yan siya. Ito yung first room. And may direct access sa swimming pool, which is turnover ng swimming pool is kasabay ng North Tower. This year na rin siya. Yan. Second bedroom. Ayan kasi yung north natin. So Covent Garden is just dalawang tower lang siya. And this is the another bathroom here in the second level. And ito yung master's bedroom. Ayan. Sarili siyang bathroom na napakalaki. Ang laki. And may balcony. Ayan. So ayan, pag natapos ito, yung side na to, bubuksan na tong swimming pool na to, adult pool and also the kiddie pool. Ayan siya.